Hi everyone, it's Sandhya. So I'm here today. It's Friday, May 22nd. We are going to have the new moon today. And I don't know, I woke up this morning and I started itching all over. And and I don't have a rash or anything. So I just think that means that there's an overall healing process going on in the body, which is kind of fantastic. So what I'm going to do today, since I am going through my own healing process, is to just do a nice rounded out sound session for you. With a ZenTube, I'll probably use my handheld and maybe some chimes. We'll do a little something. I have the 7.83 Schumann resonance playing right now, and I am shuffling the cards to do the card pull. So we're in a safe, secure environment, and I would tell you to bring your higher self into your body, ground into Mother Earth. I've already done my process this morning. Bring in source energy, the golden light of source, into your body, into your energy container. Allow all of them to mix and balance to the zero field so that you're in your neutral field, in your body and in your energy container. And it's a nice way to start off your day because then you're tuned into your own body, right? And that's helpful because then you can see your choices in your now moment. So if you're always, even starting from the very beginning of your day, choosing from options that are available to you, then you're truthfully living your day right there. Living your now moment, which is always good. To be in the now and to make good choices in the now. It's always good. So another tidbit, and I'm sorry for scratching, but I'm itchy all over. Another good tidbit to tell you is that I was watching a video with Kerwin Ray, and I believe he's in business and he does work around healing, but he's a business consultant. I think that's what he does. I don't, anyway, but I saw an excellent tip in one of the little mini videos that he has out there, and that keeps showing up in my feed. I did post it, but what was really cool was that he was saying in periods of time of stress, you know, the body is producing a lot of cortisol, a lot of hormones, right? So one of the best tools to use is gratitude, because when you're in gratitude, he was saying that gratitude creates DHEA in your system, and DHEA works on the cortisol to help get rid of it. Science. It's all science. Oh my goodness. So, wow, that's kind of pretty cool. So when you start doing your gratitude and you be in gratitude, you're actually relieving this cortisol buildup in your body, and you're actually helping heal yourself from relieving stress, relieving all this anxiety and stuff. So keep that in mind. When you're in gratitude, your body creates DHEA, which then gets rid of your cortisol buildup in your system. I had to say it again because it's just like blows my mind. Totally awesomely blows my mind. All right, now that I've given you the tidbit of my day, I love it. I am a miracle. Yeah. And even with that, I feel like there's something more. So let's, yeah, and we'll choose one from here, and we'll choose one from the middle. I feel like a reading. Okay. I am stable and deeply rooted. And let's just, one from the middle. My world is thriving in peace and harmony. I like these 3-card readings. I do. I love them. I love them. So I'm going to put them all in a row in front of my face so that you can see them all. Yay. All right. Enough of the fun. Now, if you are operating heavy machinery or driving a car, keep on doing what you're doing and come back to the sound later. All right? Do not listen to this while you're driving a car or operating heavy machinery because it does put you in a meditative state and you need to concentrate. So please just really be safe when you're doing those things. And I'm not wanting to get up from my seat. So, because I don't know, I'm comfy. The chair doesn't want to release me. Or maybe I don't want to release the chair. I don't know. So let's see. I'm just going to use a ZenTube and some chimes. Bring the chimes right in front. So eventually I will have to use them. Sit back and relax. Open your balanced energy up. You're sovereign in your energy right now. If you've already grounded and centered in. And let's just center and the sound. And we say thank you to Source, God, Universe. We say thank you to Mother Earth. We say thank you to all the beings of light that surround us and are with us and that work with us and send us love, light, nurture, and support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen. Jai Bhagwan Ki. And so it is. And slowly start to move your fingers and your toes, coming back into your body. Slightly moving the body of any aches or achy area where you may have been in one position for too long. Just stretching a little bit. Feeling into your body, taking in some deep breaths. Slowly opening your eyes when you're ready. I want to thank you for being here today. I want to thank you for listening to the sounds and for receiving the card pull. I just want to thank you. Thank you. And be in gratitude that you're willing to be here and spend time with me. Thank you. I appreciate that. All my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places in time and dimension. And we are disconnected. I want to wish you a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. So Monday is Memorial Day, and it is a 3-day weekend, so enjoy and be in joy, be in remembrance. And it's the start of summer. So let's bring us some of that happiness into. It's a beautiful day outside, so take a walk. It's a nice day. I'm thinking about it myself. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.